See how easy it is to use Servipag, the most used cash-based payment in Chile with PagSeguro. The user selects the product or service they want to purchase and clicks to finish the order. Now they select Servipag as the payment method and click to confirm it. The user fills in the requested information and is redirected to complete payment either online or offline. The user can choose to pay with a cash voucher, bank transfer, or debit card. If the user chooses to pay with a debit card or bank transfer, they are redirected to complete payment with their bank account. Payment will be confirmed in just a few minutes. If they choose to pay with a cash voucher, it will be presented to print or save and will also be sent to the user's email address. To pay, the user goes to a Servipag convenience store and presents the cash voucher in up to 3 days after issuing it. There are over 350 Servipag branches and 4,000 associated agencies across Chile. No matter the payment method chosen, in a few minutes the user will be notified by email that payment has been confirmed. They will also receive an email with the status update for the purchase. Offering Servipag on your checkout is quick and easy with PagSeguro. Talk to us right now and start offering one of Chile's favorite payment methods.